Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Jeeva.R, currently pursuing a bachelor degree at SNS College of Technology, which is being located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu of India. So I have made an article which is based on the IoT in blockchain and how it works and what is IoT as well as what is blockchain. So firstly, let's see what is IoT. Okay, so let's see. So this is the IoT. IoT just basically means the Internet of Things, and Internet of Things means things which work basically on the Internet. So Internet is just a common network which helps to connect different kind of devices, and each of these devices which is being connected to the Internet can communicate with each other and can share the data as well. So this is called the Internet, and IoT is basically means that any kind of devices which is being to a common network, it can be accessed by using some kind of devices from point A to point B. We can share the location, we can send kind of some kind of instruction, and the sensors which is being located in the next devices can identify the signals and proceed the information. So this is how the IoT works, and it is easy and helpful for us. So this is the blockchain. Blockchain is very much interesting concept, and this is what emerging all around the world, because every time you make some kind of transactions, the data is being stored and data is being circulated from one point. Suppose that you are exchanging the data from point A to point B. All the knowledge about these transactions are being stored and being circulated throughout the networks, because whenever you share some kind of things, it is being carried out by the network through the internet. So internet is basically just a group of networks which are connecting one device to another device, so that each of the device can access to the same kind of data. So whenever we transact, we are sending some kind of data to another point. So if it is centralized, the one who have built the network or the internet can has this access to the transaction that you are sharing. So this is why blockchain has built it, because it is decentralized. So with the help of the blockchain in this IoT, the IoT will send all kind of data, and every time it makes transaction from the user to the receiver, and every time it makes this kind of transaction, the data of this transaction will be communicated or circulated to the blockchain, and it is decentralized. Blockchain is extremely decentralized, meaning it has no kind of any kind of authority, and blockchain is just a mathematical concept which will be extremely hard to code or decode it, and it is very much hard to decrypt the blockchain itself, and only by decrypting the blockchain you can get the data, and by using the data analysis you can easily find out what kind of data that the receiver has been sent it over the network. So blockchain makes it very much hard for the hackers to intrude in this process of sharing from one point to another point. So this is why blockchain is used in many kind of important things in the in the bitcoins as well as the ethereum and any kind of cryptocurrencies. This is why the blockchain is being used, because the user of this user of this cryptocurrency don't want their information to be shared, or the knowledge of these transactions also is not being shared to anyone except the sender and the receiver as well. But in decentralized agencies like Bitcoin, it is not very much easy to hack. But in the centralized agency where the property is maintained by the government itself, it is very much easy for the government or anyone who maintains this network to access the transaction that you have shared in the process. So this is why Bitcoin is on the blockchain is preferred over the centralized. And this is the article that we have made, that is based on the IoT in blockchain, and we have covered most of the fundamental topics like how the IoT helps in blockchain as well as the uses of IoT in blockchain, and why blockchain is used in IoT, and how the IoT enables different kind of devices to access to the internet and also to send the data over this private blockchain, is private decentralized blockchain, which will have no effect on the transactional data, and also it will provide resistance to the records of the shared data and provide security to the user. So yes, thank you.